make transform vectors. So for example, here machine also will read this and this area, so every time we have to make transform vectors. Then next we will go toolpath. This tool is for cutting, this tool is for engraving, and first we will learn about 2D cutting. We click, this is outside, this is inside. Outside means the your squares will be cut from this area outside, and inside means if you know it that inside part, that time we will make inside cutting, and if start depth we will make always 0. And now finish depth according to our material thickness. Our material thickness is like 8 mm for example, and then allowance will not we will make here 0. Allowance means now I give finish depth 2 there, and if I give here 4, this software will read only 4 mm. Allowance means 4 mm will not read, it will cut only 4 mm. So allowance I make 0, and here is machine save 0, this here 20 mm. Okay, and profiling tools, we click profiling tools, and here we have some tools like 6 mm, 5 mm, 3 mm. We select this tool, and we can also change. If we have 4 mm we know have there, we can also change. Here we can give 4, and here also 4. And this is step down finish